Everybody, it's me, Sissy. Today I have a quick and easy craft for you. It is an Easter wreath using all items from Dollar Tree, but the body of the wreath is made from plastic table covers. I used 3 table covers. It makes a nice full wreath. So stay tuned and see how we make this little cutie. Okay, to make the body of the wreath, we're just going to use the standard wreath form this is from the Dollar Tree, and I have 4 of the Easter table covers. We may not use all 4 of them. I don't know quite how much it's going to fill up, but we'll get them cut and we'll see how many we use, and I'll let you know at the end exactly. So I'm going to cut this into 4-inch strips, so I should be able to get 3 out of each one. So I'm just going to line it up on here and then take my ruler and then we have a 4-inch stripe. We're going to unfold each strip, and then we're going to cut that strip in half. So each bundle should make 2 strips. Okay. And then we're going to take one section, and we're going to take our wreath, and we're not going to go under this first one. We're going to take it, and we're going to put it go under the second rung, come up in between them, and catch it so it's like right in the middle, just like that. And then we're just going to gather it up, trying to keep it in the center. Okay. Okay. And then you want to do the same thing with this next rung. Take your other piece. We're going to go under it and back over, so it makes a nice little sandwich just like that. And then we're just going to thread this on there like we did the other piece. Then we're just going to go back over here and we'll start with our first rung, and we're just going to separate our layers. Let me take my bracelet off so it won't make that clanging noise. I know that annoys some people. Okay, get to the end, go back, and do the next layer. Okay, so then we're just going to go do that to the other sections, and when we get through, we'll pick out some decorations to go on our wreath. Okay, I have a variety of little signs from Dollar Tree that I could put on my wreath. I think that one's kind of big though, so maybe not that one. I do have the cute little Easter truck, kind of like that. Maybe with the big bow, I don't know, maybe some eggs on it. And then I have this cute little bunny that says Happy Easter. And then I have this little felt bunny. Which I like the felt bunny. I like the felt bunny, but not the welcome sign. So what if I did the felt bunny and the Happy Easter? Okay, I think I'm going to go with that. I'm going to go with the bunny. I'm going to redo his little banner here, and we'll use this Happy Easter sign, and we'll put some of these eggs on here. I was digging for ribbon. I found these eggs from a different sign. I'm kind of liking that. So, I think I want to add these little eggs in there too. Okay, I think we're going to go with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a little welcome sign, and I'm going to take the welcome sign off of the bunny, the banner. And I'm going to use his little hands. I'm just going to, those pull right off. And then we'll put our bunny head here, the welcome sign underneath with his little paws on the edges. Just gonna little dot of hot glue. Okay, now let's hang it up and see what we got. That was it, my quick and easy Easter wreath. Hope y'all are having a great weekend. Get some stuff done. Get out there, make some crafts. Use up what you have in your craft room. You don't have to go shopping to make new things. That's all stuff that I had on hand. I had bought earlier. I'm trying to limit my going out, but y'all have a great week. Remember, Sissy can do it. You can do it too. I can get through it. You can get through it. Y'all have a great day. Bye.